Hey Trace, hope everyone is having a great morning and that you had a great session yesterday as well. I didn't have any trades on. Um, Congrats to the guys that hit a few trades. There was, I think, forward. There was a little setup on that one. What did it do at the end of the session? Okay. I was up this morning checking, but I forgot what forward had done. Okay, so it's interesting. It's holding. There's a little bit of support there in the 280s. Although, I mean, there is a resistance, and $3 is going to pose a little bit of a problem, you'd think. There's not a lot of range there to sort of trade with. It's interesting. XXII. All right, so it had a little bit of a break through to 390, and okay, so it went to $4, and it's holding $4. So it's good. It is the 24th today. It is. That's the shift work right there. It throws the time of day out, especially the day of the week out completely. Oh, okay, so there's just a couple of articles. Alright, so it's got a bit of PR out. Okay. Short sell takes aim at XXII. Okay, well, it's interesting. I mean, the trend is definitely downwards intraday from yesterday. Alright, let's see what's moving pre-market. Where did the top gains go? Oh, there they are. Okay. Got a few things. I mean, look, in conclusion, IGSC was not really, it traded between 490 and 170. It's just a bit too flat. I mean, we've got a couple of lines here. This is the 3-day moving average, and I think that's the 20-day moving average. So it's really, it wasn't fantastic news. I think it was tariff stuff. Tim's put out a video lesson, but it's not, it wasn't spectacular news at all. So I'm going to close that one down, and then we'll open up the top percentage gainers. I'll get this out of the way. Number one that's moving is SPI. Sounds familiar. What else is moving? I'll just talk about this one for now. Oh, SPI signed strategic agreement with COOIX for blockchain business service. So, you know what? This is pretty interesting. Let's go to the 6-month chart. Oh, it's got some support. Are we now 120s? It sort of floats around there. It's not like it's really, well, I mean, it has held for a little bit, and it can spike as well. So I'm going to keep my eye on SPI. What's it done in the last 10 days? What? I mean, where's the resistance at? A little bit of resistance in the 150s. What I'd like to see, it's been very uneventful. Maybe it comes back down to the 90s, or maybe $1 flat, and we see a dip buy opportunity. I'd much rather prefer that than just buy blindly into the open. I do have to get up pretty early tomorrow as well. I'm planning on catching the close, as well as I've got to get to the gym as well for my other job, personal training stuff. So saving for the challenge. But what I have noticed is definitely there's, the stocks that open strong on speculative news definitely have fade outs late in the day. But it's, I'm contemplating, like swing trades, because it's hard for me to catch both open and close. And I'm thinking, a potential swing trade and then I wake up, instead of staying up too late, I wake up earlier and start my day a bit earlier and get that out of the way, and then get on with my day and see how that goes. So I'm going to look into that a little bit, but really I'm just going to continue focusing on dip buys into the first half an hour to an hour of the session, and I'm going to focus on SPI. What else is there? CERS is more. I'm going to close out XXII. I'm going to close out forward as well for now. CERS, what is it doing? What is it doing? Anemia 3 study evaluating intercept red blood cells. Okay, so it's what does it do? Biotechnology, healthcare. Interesting one, but definitely SPI I'm going to focus on very, very much so, and that will be the conclusion, guys. Potential dip buy. If we get a bounce off the mid 90 cent range of support. Thank you, guys. Bye for now.